Today we are presenting in front of you a presentation in which a girl show you science experiments. So get ready and do not leave the video in between the session. Before to that, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.
Your friend with the secret illusion for the viewers, but it always rests on the logic. A very thankful morning to always gathering. My name is Stelma. I study in UKG class. Today I am going to show you a magic. So get ready. First of all, take an empty plastic bottle, cut the bottom neatly. Take the rubber glove, touch it and fix it on the bottom like this. Take the small bucket, half it with the water. Let's see what happened when I immerse the apple and the water into the bucket. The glove inflates. Isn't it magical? Now I'll share the logic behind my magic.
The glove
The
inflated.
glove